Hey lovelies, welcome to Miss Ajili, your go-to place for beautiful African hairstyles and creative braids inspirations. Come, let me show you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how you can install mini braids, maintain it and use it to grow your hair healthy, stronger and longer. So before I get into the video, I want to say a very big thank you to my old and new subscribers. Thank you all so much for your continuous support. So let's get right into the video. So I installed mini braids twice guys, and I could see massive growth, not to talk of the thickness and then the length. So in this video I'm going to share with you the tips and everything I did to achieve such great results. So if you follow what I'm going to tell you in this video promptly, you are going to have the same results or positive results as I did. So first of all, I got my mini braids done in this size. As you can see the lady installing hers. You can get your mini braids done by yourself if you're a good braider. I braid, okay, but mostly my parts are not straight and neat, so I like to get my mini braids done by a hairstylist, and I am very particular about the pattern and the neatness of the pattern, okay? So that's why I go to a hairstylist to get it done for me. But if you can do it by yourself, that's also good. Then after I get it done, I go ahead and do some Ayurvedic hairspray. So what I include in it is our cloves, rosemary, bay leaf. Sometimes I had hibiscus leaves, and then I boil this, and other times I add fenugreek, okay? When I have it in the house, I use it. So I soak this Ayurvedic spices together, and then I use it to spray my hair once a week. You know, getting your hair braided without adding extensions makes your hair prone to dryness and breakage. So you have to really moisturize your hair at least twice in a week. So before I moisturize my hair, I spray this Ayurvedic liquid in my hair. Then after that, I go in with my leave-in conditioner. Whenever I get my mini braids done, the leave-in conditioner that really moisturizes my hair very well is the Mega Growth leave-in conditioner. It's so moisturizing to my hair. I love it. So after that, I go in with a very light oil because I'm planning to keep this mini braids in my hair for a very long time. Even though I'm washing it regularly, I realized that even with the washing, whenever I take it down, they are still build-ups at my roots. So if you are taking it down and you do not take your time, you're going to have a lot of breakage. So I have decided to start using lighter oils so that it will not cause build-ups at the root, okay? So using a lighter oil is the preferred oil. Then after that, mostly when I get it freshly done, maybe in a month, the first 4 weeks I wear it out. Then you know, from the first 4 weeks and after, it starts looking so old and stuff. Yeah, so what I do is that I put on a wig, other people put on scalp and stuff. Like I said, this is just like our cornrows. You can use it for your wigs, everything, okay? And then secondly, the second time I got the mini braids done, what I also did was that I rebraided the hair that I feel like it started looking older. I rebraided it. So what I do is that you take each braid, unbraid it, comb it out, make sure that it's smooth. You smooth it out with a comb, apply your leave-in and then your oil, and then you braid it back. You don't have to unbraid everything. You braid, you unbraid, then you braid, you unbraid, then you braid, each braid at a time. So that's what I did. And then I wash my hair every week, okay? So the first week after I get it done, I do not wash my hair. So I start washing maybe the second week to the third week after I get it done. Then after that, I wash it every week, so I take it down. So the longest I've ever kept my mini braids in is 8 weeks. And what I did was that I washed my hair every week, like I said earlier, with a neutralizing shampoo, focusing more on my scalp, okay? Because mini braids let you have access to your scalp, so you are able to treat it, do whatever you want to do with your scalp, especially if you have dandruff, psoriasis, or those scalpy conditions that you really want to get access to your scalp and then treat them, mini braids is the best braid for you to be able to do that. After washing with the shampoo, I go in with a conditioner, then follow up with the leave-in after it's dried, like let's say 50%, then go in with the oil, let's say when the hair is dry, like 80%. When it comes to taking down the mini braids, that's where you need a lot of patience, because this is where your hair has been in a protective style for a very long time, especially those with smaller mini braids like this one. You really need patience to be able to take it down one after the other. And when you take each braid down, you apply a leave-in conditioner or a conditioner, and then you comb it out gently, starting from the root to starting from the tip to the root of your hair. Okay, then you braid it down and then you remove the next one. So that's then after I take everything down on my wash day, I do not use a shampoo because, like I said, your hair has been exposed to dry hair, okay, and it has made it very dry. Using shampoo will make it more dry, and also we were using shampoo to wash it earlier, okay. So what I do is that I just wash it with a lot of water, and then I go in with a conditioner, and then leave-in conditioner, and then the hair oil, and then maybe I wait for a week or some few days, then I get a new one done. So that's the cycle I follow with my mini braids. I hope this was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and hit the bell notification, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, love you. That's it for today's styles inspo. Which of these hairstyles was your favorite? Drop it in the comments below.